Hi guys, we are in a new week, April 6th week. This weekly is Stress Awareness Month.
News to you. April 6, 2020. Stress Awareness Month. April is National Stress Awareness Month in the U.S. People can learn about stress during this month. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. Stress is what you feel when you are worried or uncomfortable. Different things can cause stress in your life. Things in school, such as taking a test, doing assignments, or giving a presentation, can cause you stress. Things at home, like trying something new, having disagreements with other people, or having disorganized spaces, can cause you stress. Changes to your usual schedule in school or at home can cause you stress too.
So, all of us are probably feeling a little bit of stress with what's going on in the world today. Our schedule has definitely been changed. The way you guys do school has been changed. So, lots of different things can cause people to be stressed out. Staying at home with your family when you guys aren't used to being near each other all day, every day, can cause stress.
Stress can affect your mind and body. Stress can change how you usually feel. You may feel more sad, mad, frustrated, nervous, lonely, or scared than you usually do. You may feel less happy or excited. You may have a headache or stomachache too. You may not sleep well when you feel stress, so you may feel more tired than you usually do. Sometimes you may sleep more when you feel stress. Some people eat less food when they feel stress, but other people eat more food when they feel stress.
So when you're feeling stressed, you could be sad, mad, you could have a stomach ache. You might not be sleeping, or you might be sleeping way too much. It just depends on how you handle stress. Some people eat when they're stressed, and some people don't eat when they're stressed.
People can do activities to feel less stress. You can find what works best for you. You can do your favorite kind of exercise, such as playing a sport. You can get enough sleep each night. You can eat healthy foods. You can do something that makes you happy, such as playing with your pet. Other people can help too. You can talk to someone such as a friend, parent, teacher, or school counselor. Most schools have counselors who can talk to you about stress and can give you ideas for things you can do to feel better. Does your school have a counselor?
So even though we're not at school, our school has 2 counselors, and if you guys need to talk to one of them, have your parents reach out and we will get you guys connected to them, okay? Exercising is a great way to reduce stress. And cooking in the kitchen is one way that I like to de-stress. I like to cook and make things. Let's see, we recently made chocolate chip cookies. I recently made tortillas, and macaroni and cheese. That I like to cook when I'm stressed. And then we've also been going on lots of walks at our house to help deal with being stressed out.
Everyone feels stressed sometimes. Some people may feel more stressed than others. You can help other people who feel stress. If your friends, classmates, and siblings seem like they are feeling stress, you can invite them to talk to you. You can listen to them talk about how their stress makes them feel. You can do fun activities with them to help them feel less stress. National Stress Awareness Month is April in the U.S. This month is a good time to learn more about stress and how to feel less stress. What do you do when you feel stress?
So talk to your parents about some of the things that you like to do when you get stressed. Okay, so that's it for this reading. Go ahead and log in to the PowerPoint and complete the work. Have a great day.